In this video, we will be looking at how to convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Do you remember what an improper fraction is? An improper fraction, also known as a top-heavy fraction, where the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 6/5 is an improper fraction. The top number is larger than the bottom number. However, in fractions, we always simplify the answer, and in this case, we will convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. Take the previous example of 6/5. When converted to a mixed number, it will be written like this. This can be rewritten as 1 and 1/5, and we read it as 1 and 1/5. It's called a mixed number because it has a whole number and a fraction. The way that you convert from improper fractions to mixed fractions is quite easy. Take the example 11/3. Divide the numerator by the denominator. What is 11 divided by 3? 3 with a remainder of 2. The 3 will become the whole number, and the remainder, which is 2, will be the fractional part. So 11/3 becomes 3 and 2/3. Quick tip. The denominator remains the same in the mixed number and the improper fraction. Now, can you write 53/13 as a mixed number? What we need to do is to divide 53 by 13. We know 13 times 4 is 52. So, there is a remainder of 1. Our mixed number is 4 and 1/13. Great stuff, that was easy enough. Now, to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, do the inverse or opposite. Instead of dividing, we will multiply. Take the example, 3 and 3/4. Take your whole number 3 and multiply it with the denominator, 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. The last step is to add the numerator, which is 3. 12 plus 3 equals 15. So 3 and 3/4 becomes 15/4. Well done if you kept up. Join us next time as we learn how to add and subtract them. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to help us reach 1 million subscribers.